Good morning. We're going to work on the rest of your 4-9 notes on this video. We started the notes yesterday, so I'm just going to review what we talked about. 4-9, we start to talk about step functions. You've done step functions your freshman year in algebra, so they should look somewhat familiar. They're really not complicated, so don't freak out. We can do this. If you see the round down symbols of your brackets, this one here I highlighted because that's what we're going to see the most, or int. That stands for greatest integer function. That means you're going to round down. If you see these brackets here where it's just the top line, that means you're going to round up. The round down function is the floor function. Round up function is the ceiling function. So if you ever hear those again. Graphing these, they're very easy. This one has the brackets at the bottom, so that means we're going to round down. That means we're going to start at the origin, since we're not shifting it any. Make your solid dots straight up the diagonal, up one over. And then you are going to make open circles below your closed dot circles that you just made. So like, here's a closed dot, so you put an open circle below it, and then connect them. Open circle, connect, open circle, connect. We're going to do the same thing on number 6. Except for it's the round up function. So you're going to start by, again, putting your closed circles, and then you're going to put your open circles above your closed circles. And then connect them with a horizontal line. All right, so on the rest, we just need to shift them. When you shift them, please make sure you use a highlighter, some kind of colored pencil, something that stands out to tell me where your new center is. So this -3 means we're going to have to move to the right 3. Oops, we have to draw in your X and Y axes first here. And then we're going to go to the right 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is where we're starting from. So that means I'm going to make my solid circles, one at your new origin, and then straight up the diagonal. They should go straight across your paper. And then your brackets are below, so that means we're rounding down. So you're going to make your open circles below your closed dots. So that too is going to go straight down or up the diagonal. Okay, now that you have a closed circle and an open circle on the same line, you're going to connect those. There we go. It's that easy. Number 8 is super similar. You're just shifting it down 3 instead. So again, start with mark your actual origin with your X and Y axes. Down 3. So that's my new center there. Again, close circles. We're rounding down still. So you want to make open circles directly below 1 unit, your closed circles. After you have those drawn, don't forget to connect them horizontally. So they should look like steps, which is why we call them a step function. We did number 10 in class together, so we just have one more here to do. Hopefully looking at this, you realize that we need to be going up 2 and right 1. That will be my new center. Up 2, right 1. And then I can make my graph. Straight up the diagonal with solid dots. This one you are rounding up, since the brackets are at the top of the function. So your open circles are going to be above your closed dots. So if I just start here, I've got to make an open circle, open circle, open circle, and then continue that. And again, connect them. We should all be able to do that very easily, I think.